You're seated in heaven. You made the earth your footstool. Incredible God. Only you can do, undo, and redo what you have done. Jesus, you're seated in heaven. You made the earth your footstool. Incredible God. That is why we are gathered here to say to you, our Maker, that you're an incredible God. Incredible God. Incredible God. You are able to do exceedingly, abundantly, far above, much more. You're an incredible God. Incredible God, oh. Lift your voice to your Savior. You're an incredible God. Yes. Incredible God. Incredible God. You are Alpha, Omega, the beginning and the end. You're an incredible God. Incredible God. Oh. Confidence is in you, is in you. Sing it to me. And I put my trust in you, trust in you. Jesus, I'm not alone. You're with me, you're with me. One with you is majority. Uganda, my confidence is in you. Yes, is in you. And I put my trust. I put my trust. Jesus, I'm not alone. You're with me. One with you. One with you is majority. Looking unto Jesus, say, looking unto Jesus is the author and finisher of faith. Author and finisher of faith. Oh, I'm at rest because I have you. I'm at rest because I